Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. And today I am going to take an English first paper class for the student of class 6 student. And our today's topic is lesson 8, discussion and exercise E. Look at the board, student. Our today's topic is lesson 8 and exercise E, and our lecture number is 7. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. English for today. English for today books, lesson 8, grocery shopping. Number A, some guests will visit Imran's house tonight. So Imran's mother will cook dinner for them. She asks Imran to go to the local market. He often forgets to buy necessary items. So his mother is making a shopping list for him. He is helping his mother make the list. Read the conversation between the mother and son. Imran: Mom, what do I need to buy? Mom: well, see if we have enough potatoes. Imran: we have some potatoes, but I do not think it is enough. Mom: then get half kg of potatoes. How about tomatoes? Imran: I don't see any tomatoes. Mom: are there any vegetables? Imran: yes, there are some beans, carrots, cucumbers and eggplants. That is all. Mom: well, I will need 1 kg of tomatoes, half kg of beets and 2 cauliflowers. Mom: are there any eggs, dear? Imran: there are only 3 eggs. Maybe I will buy a dozen more. Mom: oh yes, I get some sugar and milk and 1 liter of oil too. Imran: okay, 1 liter of milk and 1 kg of sugar. Mom: one more thing, dear. You are forgetting your list. Here it is. Imran: oh, thanks, Mom. So my dear student, we start A1 exercise. Now look at the shopping list below. You have read the conversation above. Now put a tick against the items that Imran will buy and put a cross against the items he will not buy. Write the quantity of each of the items he is buying in the last column. 1 is done for you. Items, tick mark or cross mark. Quantity: potatoes, yes, quantity half kg. Tomatoes, yes, quantity 1 kg. Onions, no. Cauliflower, yes, 2 pieces. Beans, right, half kg. Eggplants, no. Eggs, yes, 1 dozen. Oil, yes, 1 liter. Salt, no. Sugar, yes, 1 kg. Milk, yes, 1 liter. Carrots, no. Cucumber, no. Number B, listen to and read the dialogues below. Salesman: hello, how can I help you? Imran: do you have any beans? Salesman: yes, we do. How much would you like? Imran: I would like half kg and I will also need 1 kg of tomatoes, 2 kgs of potatoes, 2 cauliflowers, a dozen of eggs and some salt. Salesman: do you need oil, sir? Imran: yes, I need a liter of oil. Salesman: do you need anything else? Imran: let me check. Look at the list. Oh yes, could I have some sugar and milk? Salesman: sure. How much milk do you want? Imran: just 1 liter and 1 kg of sugar, please. Imran: just 1 liter and 1 kg of sugar, please. Salesman: okay, let me find all the items for you. Imran: thanks. Please put them in a paper of jute bag. Salesman, sure. We don't use plastic bags here. Here you go. I have put all the items here. Imran, thank you. How much is the total? Salesman, the total comes to taka 535. Imran, here is 550. Salesman, thank you. Here is the change. 15 taka. Have a good day. Imran, thanks. Bye. So my dear student, here we skip over 24, 25 and 26 6 page and we do exercise E from 27 page. Exercise E, fill in the blanks with some or any. Some or any, we use some in the positive statement and we used any in the negative statement. Again I am saying, we use some in the positive statement and we used any in the negative statement. Number 1. Are there any flowers in the garden? Are there any flowers in the garden? Yes. These are some roses and some lilies. Here is the negative statement, here is the question mark, that's why we used here any. Number 2. Yes, these are some roses and some lilies. So here is the positive statement, so we used here some. Number 3. What about jasmine? Are there any jasmine? Here is a negative statement or question mark statement, that's why we used here any. No, there are not any jasmine. So again we used here any. Number 5. Do you have any idea why I am asking you all this? Again we used here any. So my dear student, this is our today's topic and your homework is number 4. Homework number is number 4 and exercise number E. This will be your homework, exercise number E. So all of you guys, I have all of you students have understood your topics and do your homework. See you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.